In this video, I will show you how to insert custom border in Microsoft Word document. So open any browser, open the Canva, and here search border. If you don't have your own border, so select and find out any free border. And select the size A4. If your Microsoft Word page size is the A4. Like this one, I think it's free. Select it and customize. Make changes if you need, and after that share and download. So now we have this border as a picture format. Now open MS Word and double click on your header area. Now insert picture this device and select that picture. Now drag and drop. Adjust the size for this picture as your page size. Right click on it and wrap text in front of text. Now double click anyway in your document. So this way guys, you can insert custom border in your Microsoft Word document. To make it bold, select it, Control C. Now delete, Control V. Now click anyway. And guys, if you need darker, so select it, Control C, then select and delete, then Control V. So thanks for watching guys. Comment this video useful for you.